The good thing is the hospital is just like about 5 minutes drive away, so we'll be there in no time. Hi friends, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, and welcome back to my channel. I am literally dying because I just finished working out, feeling accomplished, reached my goal, and it's a good way to start the morning. My boys are home with me today. Look who is home! The hamster is home. And of course, Tyler is home. You wanna say good morning, baby? Say good morning, everybody. Yes, say good morning. Mama. Yes, baby. Mama. Yes, honey. You wanna come with Mama? Mama going to make breakfast and then to take you, alright? Mama to take you. Alright, you guys. Hubby is home today because Tyler have a major follow-up appointment at the hospital. As you guys know, Tyler, hold on, let me open up these windows so I can get that good light for the sister. Yes. Ooh, it's like Jesus coming in. So there you go, that good light. Tyler have a follow-up appointment at the hospital this morning from his surgery. As you guys who have been with me from the beginning knew that Tyler had a surgery some months back. I can't even remember what month was it, but Tyler had a surgery, so today is his follow-up appointment. Ooh, I'm still tired from working out, so don't mind my short breathing. So hubby is home with me to bring Tyler to that follow-up appointment early in the afternoon. So just finished working out. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day or a wonderful morning or a wonderful afternoon, whatever time it is that you guys are watching this video. And I'm about to go make me some breakfast. This morning I feel for porridge, so I'm about to make me some good old oatmeal, and then I'm gonna have a shower and get myself ready for the day and have my breakfast. Guys, it's now afternoon and we're about to head out to Tyler's doctor's appointment, but he's all knocked out. He's sleeping. The good thing is the hospital is just like about 5 minutes drive away, so we'll be there in no time. Hopefully it doesn't ruin his nap time. Yeah, so we're just gonna head out to the doctor and we'll catch you guys later. So you guys, we're on our way to the hospital to Tyler's appointment, and just like I thought, it ruined his sleep pattern because he's around there calling Mama. He's wide awake, and at this time he's supposed to be napping. Tyler, they ruined your nap pattern. Hey, baby,
you're gonna sleep after.
Yeah, I'm sure he's gonna fall asleep. And Tyler super hates the doctor. Once he sees the doctor in that coat and that thing around his neck, he's going to start to cry.
Yeah, but that's something that have changed. That you remember the first?
He never used to cry at first.
The first
he used
months, he used to be the quietest baby. They stick him, no cry. They got shot, no cry.
Oh yeah, but
and
now
just one time it turns.
I think now it's because he recognized where he is. Maybe that's why it changed. But I don't know if you guys babies are like that, but when he was younger, he's he used to be fine when he goes to the doctor. He used to sit and does all his checks and everything, get his shots and no crying. But now, oh Lord, once he's on that bed, take off his clothes and ready to weigh and all that, lone crying, non-stop crying. So we're almost there, we're on our way, and yeah, it's gonna be a fast check. It's not going to be anything long. I'm sure it's just going to check to see how he's progressing since his surgery and how everything healed and
just
if it's
make
healed
sure
properly.
that he healed properly.
Right, so
It's not anything. Just five
probably just 5 minutes appointment.
Just to make sure that nothing's going the wrong way.
And funny enough, this appointment was supposed to be like a 3-hour drive away from us.
Yeah, just for 5 minutes.
But just for 5-minute appointment, because we didn't get to book this appointment early enough, and this surgeon, he's really busy and he have a lot of clients, so he had booked out, and because we had went on vacation, when we came back, the only appointment they had remain was for us to go to the hospital that Tyler did his surgery. But we had went to this hospital close to home for his 1-year check when we got back from vacation and his shot. So babe had talked to them and they said just, yes honey, yes baby, we're going to the hospital to check on you. So babe had put in a request just in case anybody like canceled their appointment for today and stuff, because I get to understand that he's coming here today just for these appointments. So luckily, while we were away last week, we got a call that somebody canceled their appointment, so we got that spot. How lucky we are. But thank God we got that spot on. Yeah,
Thanks God avoid me to drive 6 hours.
oh yeah, and I wasn't really
6-hour drive.
6-hour drive just a 5-minute appointment. That's kind of crazy. So yeah, we're on our way to this appointment, and yeah, let's see how we go. So we catch you guys later.
Yeah, we'll let you know how it's going on.
Alright. So we're actually at the hospital, and I see them having some pink and white balloons. So just remember that it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So shout out to all the survivors of breast cancer and everybody who is going through that disease, that sickness. My prayers and my heart really goes out to you guys. So I'm just waiting to see them let go all these pink and white balloons, which I think is really cute. Wow, that's amazing, and they all have messages at the end of them. How cool is that? So my prayers and my heart really goes out to everybody who is battling breast cancer and is a survivor of breast cancer. So yeah, hope you guys eventually get over this disease and keep prayed up. Look at you. Yes, baby. Push it back. Baby? Baby? You guys, look at him.
No! No! No!
Why are you messing with him, honey? He decides that he wanted to come outside and play. He had this habit these days that whenever he wants to go outside, he take his slippers to me and he said, Mama, thank you, and give me his foot. Meaning he wants his slippers to go outside. Look at him. You guys, it is so chilly right now. I'm just coming outside to end the vlog with hubby to go back inside because I'm freezing literally.
Tyler. Tyler. No, Tyler.
Come. I'm going to have to buy Tyler some hat this winter because all of his hats from last year, his winter hats,
Yeah,
can't fit.
His head getting bigger.
His head getting bigger. So you guys, we went to the hospital. The follow-up wasn't too bad. It wasn't perfect, but it was okay. I can live with the end result. The most important part is okay. We're going to have to go back to see another surgeon at some point, but because we're moving, Tyler, you guys hear him?
But everything okay for Tyler. Is just after the surgery they always do a 3 months checkup after to make sure everything okay, and they do a 12-month checkup, the same thing, to make sure everything okay. But because we're gonna move, the surgeon was nice, and he gave us one of his friends that do the same job and living in the same city that where we're going to move. So we're just gonna have to do a checkup in 9 months now. Yes, nothing. It's
9 months is the checkup?
Yeah, because it's already 3 months since the surgery, so 3 months plus 9 months, 12 months.
Okay, so
So
it
it's
will
gonna
be a
be-
year check after the
Right,
surgery.
Right. So
But if something's not right, whatever needs to be corrected is nothing major. It's just going to be something minor.
not having
Not having to put
fully
him to sleep and
anesthesia.
anesthesia like the last time.
Mhm.
So yeah, that's what happened at his follow-up appointment. We got home and he took his nap because he was
Merci.
really tired. Then of course okay.
What animal is that?
I don't know.
That's Tyler.
We got home, put Tyler down for a nap. Hobby also took a nap. I haven't taken a nap all
Always
now.
take a nap.
He always take a nap.
Tyler sleeping, you need to take
Oh
this
please,
advantage.
but I
and
can't
go to
sleep if my body doesn't want to sleep.
Oh
You
my-
guys, I can't sleep just for sleep's sake. I have to sleep because I'm tired. So I went and
To
cooked
Kosa?
dinner.
The quarter, Tyler.
I went and made dinner and we just had dinner, so we're just chilling the rest of the afternoon. It should be Tyler bedtime in about an hour and a half, and he decided that he want to be outside playing. So there he is playing away. You wanna say hello? Come say hello.
Say bonjour.
Say hello.
The camera.
Yes,
The
baby.
camera.
You guys, we were inside just now and Babe came up with a challenge. You guys need to comment down below and tell me if we need to do this challenge. He said the challenge is going to be called animal sounds, right? So we're going to name the animal and we're going to see who can make the sound of the animal the best. Because I just made an animal sound and he died laughing at me. He died laughing at me. So we need to do that challenge and see how it's gonna
So
go.
you gonna be the judge, cause I can judge myself. She can't judge herself.
So
She
I
gonna
can't
say,
judge you and you judge
No,
me.
you're gonna say you're bad. We just need to do the things and then judge.
So we're going to do
Fairly.
an animal sound challenge and see how that goes. But anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and don't you forget to subscribe. If you have watched this far and you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. We are fastly growing and we appreciate every single one of you guys and we love you all. And yeah, that's it for this vlog. Tyler, come and say hello. Come and say bye bye. Say hello. Say bye. Bye bye. Au revoir. Au revoir. You have to turn around to the camera, Papa. Look. Abba! Abba! You're giving them a ball? Abba! There you have it, guys.